In my room, I'm all alone. Put on your shirt and get in bed. Want so bad to get my phone and call you up right now to say that I miss you. I miss you, baby. What if I said I'm missing you? I'm missing you lately. Whoa, whoa. But these memories only come around midnight. Then I can get you off my
What's
mind.
up, divas and divos? So it's your girl, and today's video is going to be something. It'll be super easy because it is just a lace front, and it's kind of like a more or less summer style. You don't really have to wear it in the summertime. You could definitely wear this all year round, but I did promise that I would showcase a lot more shorter wigs this summer, or just in general, for those of you guys who like short wigs. So you guys, this one is available at samsbeauty.com, and this here is by Meadow, and this is called Bubble Meadow. So I did pick her up in the color OM430P. So yes, it's more or less like a darker color on the top. I would say, to me, this is more or less like a dark brown, like a number 2, and then you have like the color number 30 at the bottom, or 33, I think. Either way, it's a really pretty color. I do like the OM430P mixtures. A lot of different brands have those, so you'll definitely want to try a different color if you want something short. I don't really like it all one colored sometimes, depending on what style it is, but if it's like super duper short, I really kind of like stick to like the most natural color. But for this one, it's not that short, and it kind of reminds me of like an asymmetrical type bob style, like beachy loose waves, which are pretty. So it's very full. The texture is not too silky, but it's definitely not like yucky texture. There are combs right here by the part, and there's also a comb and an adjustable strap in the nape area. So like I said, it is available at samsbeauty.com, and we're gonna go ahead and put this baby on.
In my room, I'm all alone. Put on your shirt and get in bed. Want so bad to get my phone and call you up right now to say that I miss you. I miss you, baby. What if I said I'm missing you? I'm missing you lately. Whoa, whoa. But these memories only come around midnight. Then I can get you off my mind. Know that I should forget you, Lord knows I've tried. I can get you off my mind. My girl's been blowing up my phone. They trying to get me out tonight, but see, I'd rather be alone. Dancing with some other guy, probably cause I miss you, baby. And they may think I'm tripping, baby. I'm feeling like I miss you, baby. And they may think I'm tripping, maybe. But these memories only come around midnight. I can get you off my mind. Wish that I could forget you, Lord knows I've tried. But I can get you off my mind. I know I shouldn't be feeling like this. I tried my damnedest to resist. I feel so alienated from you right now. Body's been calling out for you, it's screaming loud. I need you, but my pride tell me don't call. I've been wondering what you're up to, act like I don't care at all. Fading memories and pictures, I love it, shone so bright. You're my favorite, hello, and boy, my heart is goodbye. Come around midnight, I can get you off my mind. Get you off my mind, get you off my mind. Know that I should forget you, Lord knows I've tried. I can get you off my mind. I play the night and no one's around.
Okay, you guys, so this one was really easy. I actually really do like this bubble metal. I'm not like a huge fan of the name. I'm not really sure what the bubble metal is all about, but it's really cute. It's super easy. I think this style will last a lot longer than some wigs, you know, because it's not so long, so it's not going to get so tangled. It's not so silky. It's not straight, so it's not going to get so tangled. Plus, it just gives you like, I think this wig can be worn like with anything, like, or any type of occasion, because it's very, very classy. You know, this is great for work. This is great for just running errands. This is just like an everyday universal style. So I really am digging this wig. Like, I like the swoopage in the front. It kind of goes right where it needs to be, so it's not too much over your eye, and you can definitely just like pull it back a little bit if you want to. You can tuck the hair behind your ear. You can fluff it up and make it bigger, but I think like the big loose beachy waves give it so much appeal. So this one is definitely like a must if you guys love bobs. This is like a kind of like curly loose wave, kind of like bob. I like the size of it. You guys know I don't like doing the bobs at all. Like, no honeys, the bobs things is not my thing. I do think this one is really cute, so you guys let me know what you think about it. I like the deep parting. It goes all the way back here. The cap does fit nice. I do have the straps in tight, so if you have a lot of hair and you're concerned if the cap is not going to fit, this will definitely fit you because it does have the adjustable straps, plus the cap is a nice size. I didn't put the combs on the sides or right here in because you guys know how I feel about the combs now in the front. You don't really need to, because if you just place it, just tighten up the adjustable straps, then girl, you good. Like, seriously, you good. So you guys, let me know what you think of bubble metal. You could definitely get her from samsbeauty.com, along with a whole bunch of other different wigs and ponytails and lace frontals and closures and human hair and all that good stuff, along with makeup. So I love you guys. Stay diva and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs this video up, and share with all your social media friends and family. And I will see you guys on a soon to come video.